Hello everyone, today we would be unboxing HP Chromebook x360 with 4GB RAM and 64GB hard disk. Powered by 2.3 GHz AMD processor and Radeon graphics. The laptop is light and slim. The build quality is really good. The laptop comes with a fanless design and doesn't get hot at all. The laptop is convertible and the screen goes up to 360 degrees, which is good to use as a tablet or watch movies. The hinge is really strong and is of a very good quality. The laptop comes with a Type-C charger and two Type-C ports, which is very futuristic and cannot be seen in a laptop of this price range, along with one USB 3.1 port and a headphone jack. This laptop is really good for students, freelancers and light users. One of the best features of this laptop is the Backlit Keyboard. The laptop comes with a touch screen with a resolution of 1366 x 768, which is just above 720p, that is HD. The trackpad of the laptop supports multiple gestures and gives a good response while clicking. Magnets hold the screen firmly while closing the lid and gives a satisfying click. The laptop supports all the major Android apps and the battery life is around 10 hours, which we yet have to test. This was the initial impression of the laptop and a detailed review will be coming soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to get the latest updates.